As a level 1, you also need to become familiar with the miter saw or a chop saw. Never set the chop saw up just on the ground. Always have it on the proper stand, and we'll show you how to inspect the stand and the chop saw before you use it.
Your fingers along the wire, checking for any exposed wires or cord damage. Check the plug for broken or missing prongs. Release the lock, allowing the saw to move into the upright position, and as the saw moves into the upright position, the guard should activate and cover the saw blade. Loosen the slide rails and check that the saw slides forward and backwards easily. Then check the bevel gauge, and the saw should tilt up to 50 degrees smoothly. Next, loosen the miter gauge and check that the saw slides from side to side up to 50 degrees each way or more. And lastly, check that the trigger is not broken or damaged and slides in and out and does not get stuck when activated.
Now that you've completed your tool inspection of the miter saw, we'll show you how to use it and things to be aware of for safety while cutting. Now, always make sure you have your eye protection on when operating the miter saw, and as well as earplugs, I highly suggest, because the miter saw averages at about 100 decibels, and as you learned in this course, in the safety course, that kind of exposure will cause hearing damage over long term.